bitch is malfunctioning.
Oh, fuck.
Just run. Just run.
Yo, what's the deal, YouTube, man? I'm coming to y'all with another banger video. I already know what's going on, man. Summer drop is coming soon for the Saint gear. Don't worry, man. But right now, y'all, we about to head out to the city, right? Happy 4th of July, y'all. It's 4th of July right now. I gotta find that good light. I guess it's heading this way, but it's 4th of July right now. And so we about to go out to the city. And we going to 42 Doug thing. He just posted, come through for his video shoot, all that stuff. So we about to go there. Rob, I'm coming. Get up, come on. Bro, come on, bro.
Majority 0088. What the fuck is this?
He got it. Oh yeah, that's gonna smack. Oh, it landed.
That boy was to smack that.
I need this. What is this? An old ass spot.
Bye.
That boy look foul. Black versus white. Team Arabic, team black one. What you wanna do?
Go get your car, bro. Can we please go get this
What's
guy?
up, bro? I'm gonna hit you.
Why?
He's spinning it. You want me to what?
Go get your car. Good so you can spin it, bro.
Yes,
you
sir.
can be in the video.
What? They like this shit, ass. We have 42 jump right now, y'all. They down here spinning it and shit. You know what I'm saying? It ain't packed right now, but I'm pretty sure this bitch gonna get the smacking later. That's why I drove the dart, y'all. See, now y'all can't be counting it down. Spin your shit, Josh. It's at the crib, nigga. It's a whole nother whip on me. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Woo. Damn. Learn how to control that.
He just stopped right there, like a little bit.
He went in the grass.
That's a Mustang killer.
Oh, shit. Oh.
shit!
Oh shit! Oh yeah! He said,
Hey, we good? You can't slick me. We good?
Because that lady called us.
Get out of here! Hey, we just chilling. Hey, it's a block party. Oh yeah, boy! They can't say shit. You know what I'm talking about, nigga? They can't say shit. No.
you know them cops don't care, y'all. They're talking crazy on the news. You know them cops don't care, bro.
Who got a Newport for me? What's wrong, my baby? This car's off. This car's off. No one in there. No one in there, bro. It's hard. When you say done shit, it's hard, bro. Whoa. Not long, it's gonna get Don't touch me, bro. You can't touch me. Hey, you can't touch me, bro. I don't got bell buttons. Chill. I don't got bell buttons. Hey, bro.
Damn, about the dart?
All this shit funny.
Nigga, another one right there. That nigga lit. Man. Man, they are fully. Why Doug get the trip on the dirt bike though? Alright, y'all, so I'm back home now, man. About to hop back in my scat, baby. You know we had enough time with the dirt today. Hop back in the scat, baby. I don't know where we finna go, but hey, it should be lit. We gonna hit up some block parties too, man. Might get the spin, and who know, bro? In Mexico, who know how it goes. Ricky, Ricky tripping. Ricky tripping.
That one open.
Huge. It's only 9 though. Why did me and Josh tell me why me and Josh just why did we just who just built that? That bitch farted. The other one ain't go off. Let me try. Hold on, let me see. I'm freaking drunk, bro.
Are you, bro? I swear. Just Mo.
Oh my god.
What's wrong with you, boy? What?
Oh, shit. Come here.
Stop fucking playing. No. Don't touch me. Oh my god.
They should have never let me.
Hey, my nigga, watch. You know we out here. Like squad, stand up.
Y'all some puss. I gotta record this.
Bro, if this bitch come do
We
something.
imagine it hits the stop sign and bounces back.
Imagine I throw it back.
We were shooting the flares out that bitch. Oh!
Sometimes these bitches be malfunctioning.
Oh, fuck!
Zeus, put it out! Zeus, put it out!
Bro, that junk hit my thigh.
Throw it.
Throw that bitch!
Oh.
Sorry, good. No, bro.
What are you doing?
Yo, you came in clutch, bro.
What? Oh.
Isn't it how you stepped on it?
Because I was like, it's gonna mess my bro's paint.
Lick them all up, my baby.
I can't leave my. Alright, y'all, so it is the end of the video, man. If you did enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you are new, make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss a banger, man. You already know what's going on, man. It's always lit on here. I'm trying to vacation soon, y'all. Let me speak to y'all real quick. Alright, come here. Come here. Bro, come closer. Look at, not that close. Get on my face. You know what I'm saying? Fresh lineup. I know I'm cute. Now, hold on. Watch out. But anyways, y'all, let me talk to y'all real quick. I live in Michigan, y'all. The only fun thing to do here, around here, is cars. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's like a lot of car videos. But most of y'all like the car videos, so that's good. But I noticed I'm uploading way too late, bro. Like right now, I feel like I'm gonna upload late today. I don't know why, but I'm uploading way too late, and that's taking a toll on the views. My videos, man. You see, I'm averaging. When I upload at the right time, then I'm doing good views. Then like that monkey video is 13K. But I'm uploading at like 10, almost 11 at night. That's way too late. I see what it's doing to the views. It's making the views go down on that stuff, man. Cause y'all be getting y'all sleep. You know what I'm saying? I'm uploading way too late, y'all. So I'm about to change that. About to get back on the hustle, man. You know what I'm saying? Plus I'm gotta balance the shirts too. Summer drop coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, y'all, it's like, it's a lot going on, man. I'm trying to balance it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to get back to uploading at like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, man. So stay tuned, cause it's not even gonna be bad. But yeah, y'all, so I gotta talk to y'all. And plus, if y'all want a video, I'm banned from doing public interviews. You know what I'm saying? I can't do the YouTube. I cannot do no more public interviews. If you want to know why, comment down below, smash the like button, and then get this video to 1K likes. I'll let y'all know how I'm banned from public interviews. But hey, y'all, I can't do that. Only fun thing to do in Michigan is cars and stuff, man. And that junk is fun. And I know most of y'all enjoying it, so keep enjoying it, bro. Please, I'm begging y'all, Saint Squad, please keep enjoying the car videos. Let me know if you enjoy them. Comment down below. So, I want y'all to stop saying I'm Mr. Old Josh. I can't do that no more. Now, I'm 18 years old. I'm grown. That's childish. I can't do it no more. You know what I'm saying? But I'll just probably try to tap back into it sometimes, but not all the time, y'all. Not all the time. So y'all gonna have to work with me, enjoy the car videos, cause you know they lit. You know the vlogs lit, bro. And I'm gonna bring some old people back for y'all. So don't worry. So just stay tuned. Don't worry at all. We got a lit video coming Sunday because Daily Driven Exotics is here Saturday, and I will be uploading on Sunday because I don't want to do daily vlogs unless I'm on vacation or something. So Sunday, lit video, Daily Driven Exotics will be here, y'all. So I'm gonna catch you on the next one, man. Stay tuned. Make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss this banger, because it is about to get crazy. You know what I'm saying? I might have to spin the scat, the Saint Super B with DDE. You know what I'm saying? I might have to spin Saint Super B with DDE. Who knows what's going on, man? Turn on post notifications if you are new. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, post notifications, smash the like button. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.